first gen then no.
After this, Mafai has to stop while diet again.
Really so much lah. Like I also didn't know. I just got really. Last time I also didn't know I can eat a lot only. I just took a bit here and there. Then that's it.
Yeah.
Veggie I took a lot. Yeah. Veggie is okay when you eat. You don't feel like very stuffed one. The meat, I had one big piece of turkey breast and I had maybe 4 slices of ham. That's it.
One slice of ham.
But the rest were all veggie.
Kan boleh guys. Mukbang.
No, yeah, don't eat too stuff. Just eat like you've got enough to eat already. Then I had the spinach dip. I had 1.5 first. Nanti gave me half. I didn't plan to eat one. Then I had the egg. What drink today? Drink today was today. 2 glasses. 1 glass of wine actually because my first glass was actually like very short. Yeah, I bought. What? So tonight you're not cooking today.
We also not cooking.
I'm not eating pasta though. You can do it.
I see that pasta. Still got chicken and you want.
If you are not planning any major cooking, then just I don't know the pasta you want to mix it with the ham, jelly ham.
No, you guys eat the noodle papa.
You all can have it. I'm not having. I can steam fish myself.
I don't like noodle.
Steam fish and extra eggs. You?
I thought Jared like pasta. Bio food. Then you can melt cheese on it.
Hey, that's pasta.
I think now he's a bit
This is
more.
very plain.
Asian.
Yeah. No, he's a bit more careful with his choices. He's eating more meat and vegetables. Follow me lah. Then not so much carbs.
It's not meat also. Is it true?
But you still eat your bread lah. You like the sweet bread lah.
Not you guys buy, you didn't ask me to buy, they got finished. You go and buy already. Like now I took 3 more already.
So you can try the Christmas golden ham. Since you like it. You have to eat also. No, because of our street now, I'm not sure if it's hard. You want to sit in the hand, you want.
I'll save room for ice cream when I get back.
Okay,
For cake,
Hey,
for cake.
Oh,
like
okay,
for
yeah.
cake.
this is what I keep it right. So let's try cooking. We're gonna try a piece of bread.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. See whether you want to heat up in the oven or the toaster. Put the fridge in.
Oh, it's raisin top, right? It's just one small one. You should take one.
Got raisin, got fruits and nuts inside.
What is it?
Oh, it's like the hotel one, hotel breakfast one is like croissant, then inside is bread.
Got flavors like nutmeg, all those.
Do I need to take off you?
I think breakfast is good.
Christmas solid is a type of Christmas bread from Germany. I don't know that. Not one of them.
Yeah, breakfast is good.
It's like a fruit cake but bread.
Alright, I will eat a lot. I just have a small piece.
Did you try this?
I had a bit of what you gave me last time.
Last night one of mine, which I have.
Is the bread inside one?
Yeah, the stuffing. I didn't have
The
last
purpose of the stuffing is to absorb all the juices that's coming out so that the chicken remains dry, right?
But then there's bread inside.
No, last night one night.
And so that your chicken, the shape remains big. If you don't put stuffing, when the oven already compresses, right, and then dries up. She was actually one of the committee members that organized for the thing one. So she's part of the family support group for parents with cancer, with children with cancer.
Right.
So she also went through the struggle, her only child, which is a boy, now recovered already. So just every year, actually I don't know also. Yeah. She just said cancer, I don't know what cancer, but he went for chemotherapy quite a number of times. Very young only the boy, I think like 9 years old, 8, 9 now.
8, 9 now.
Yeah, now. during those days was like 5 or something. Had cancer when he was 5. They went through all the therapy.
Normally kids is leukemia.
Yeah, maybe
Normally kids are the
he had one valve that the heart here one for the I don't know.
After so many years, you were there?
2 years, right?
When I started at this
Yeah,
Bangkok, I had 14 months the mandatory, so I worked there 2 years, we took plus 2, 6 months.
You were also second or
What's the last season?
Next year was
Anyone?
actually you want
Anyone?
yeah one children
Last season.
inside the other field or someone? Yeah.
good to
This one.
oh no
Oh.
yeah you know
Inside part.
你往抓你往
Oh.
very nice
Like a half part.
very nice
The this one came at 1:30. When I arrived, I'm like, oh, that's so small. No wonder enough for you already. I remember the last time you came for I birthday, we ordered 2 whole chickens. Oh, really? I said, enough.
the toasting the chicken
Roasting, yeah, roasting.
Mukbang na tayo. Ayan o. Ako lang ang kakain nito mamaya. My goodness. Ang dami pang tira. Busog na ako guys. Oh. Ayoko nang kumain talaga. Promise. Ayan. Tapos na ako guys kumain. Mamaya naman nagabi. Yay! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Sana po marami pang blessing dumating sa aming pamilya. Thank you so much guys. Huwag kakalimutan si Jen Vlog na i-likes and i-subscribe. Ayan. Ito na yung pagkakataon ko po na makapag-vlog kasi nagkakainan sila doon sa sala. Bye bye guys. Love you all. Merry Christmas to all of you.